In this video, I want to talk about how you can stop eToro notifications. Now this is pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to open up eToro.com, click on your notification icon, click on the three dots, and go to notification settings. Inside of here, what you want to do is you want to select the ones that you want to stop. So let's say it's marketing updates, and in here you can disable from which ones you want. So you can disable in-app, push, email, and WhatsApp. And you can do this for all of them if you want to. If for some reason you're still getting any kind of email, if you disable these, you shouldn't get email or in-app or push notifications about account and club. So if you do it for all of these, you shouldn't be getting anything. But if you're still getting some emails that are not in any of these categories, what you can do is simply open up the email and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there will most likely be an unsubscribe button. Now that is basically how this works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.